Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add a password page on Shopify. So this is my first video for the Horizon theme, and I will tell you how you can edit the layout in Horizon theme. And just to let you know that layout has been changed a lot. You don't require much coding. Firstly, I was thinking that I tell you the custom coding for the Dawn theme, but then I thought that with the release of Horizon theme, you should adopt with the changes. You should not be afraid of that changes. And I will also, for the first time, I will give you a prompt that you just have to put into the Shopify, and it will generate a section for you. If you have not yet discovered, you should discover the Horizon theme, because you just have to use the simple prompts. Surprisingly, it doesn't work well with the mature prompts. You have to give like a child prompts. You have to give prompts like a child, and Shopify will work best. For example, if you want to create before after section, you just have to write the prompt, create a before after section. That's it. You don't have to write the complex codes, like you complex prompts like you do in chat gpt, something like this. You have to be very you have to adopt the easier way, and it will work better. This is very surprising thing. So I will show you how you can edit the password page. First of all, to the theme customization, and obviously I will use this thing. Then I will also tell you how the new code editor work and how you can do the editing in it. But our focus will be in the theme customization. Okay, so this is the Horizon new update. I just updated the theme, I think 2 days ago, and it is the latest update, which is 2.1.1. Okay, so today is 15th of August, and I think this video will be uploaded a little later. So you have to click on customize here to open the theme customization, and from here you have to click on the same way edit code, and you will see the new code editor, which is relatively slower than previously. Obviously you will feel the difference, but it is better than it. Okay, so you have to be a little patient while, because it takes some time to open. And in the meanwhile, let's work in the theme customization. And from the method is similar, and you have to like go into the password page. So I'm not trying to copy any of the password page of any competitor. I'm trying to give you a layout, the sections that you should add on the password page, and you can consult a designer, or you can create a Figma, and you can copy any design you want. But in this tutorial, I will give you the basic idea of how you can create almost every section in the new password page. Okay, new password template of Horizon theme. So this is something I will try my best. So this section, and this countdown timer, this is the contact us section, this is FAQ section. That's it. So this is very similar, simple, but just to show you, you can edit a lot of options. We can add the banners, we can add the products, you can add anything. But in the password page, normally there is some code, obviously, and there is a countdown timer, and then you can add the email pop-up, or you can embedded email, and you can add the contact form, you can add the FAQ. So these are some of the sections that normally people add, and I will explain you. So we are in the password page, and first let me show you overview of some of the sections that this beautiful Horizon theme has. And as you can see, you have got a complete category of the banners. Then you have got the collections. These are not required for the obviously the password page, but let's continue with the form, and let's just hide it. Okay, so we have added the contact us form, and then we can add the custom section. We can add something like this is the collection thing. And again, the layout, as you can see, this is the banner, hero banner, marquee banner, large logo, marquee, split showcase. So we've got tons of options. So this is jumbo text, FAQs. Yes, we want to add the FAQs as well. So again, let's see some other thing. Pull code, I like the pull code. So basically the last category has all the things that you need for FAQ page. Like if you have the video completed, you can add the video as well. Okay, so we can add the video as well. And the slideshow, pull code, image with text, icons with text, you can add a lot of stuff. There's, I think the categories that they made for the forms, the layout, the collection is simply amazing. So in the meanwhile, the new code editor is still loading, because we just close the window. That's why it is still loading. But don't worry, it will be loaded soon. It's not something too much slower, but I think it's some of the cache issues that you can see. And yes, that's it. So this is the layout of the code editor, and you can search almost everything. That's not a problem. You can create the file from here, you can create the folder from here, and this is how it looks like. First of all, if you want to search for the password page, we can do something like this: password.liquid and password.json. Password.liquid, this is the so if we open the layout, and this is the section. So from there you can edit the default layout of the password page. This is the section. As you can see a lot of styling, and you can see the JSON. Basically, you most of this section create is consisting of JSON, and as you can see, and this is the main layout, password.liquid, and you can edit the layout from here. But currently we have just hide the default layout, because we have to work on the existing sections that are available. So this is a way to wait for main content to load when navigating to. So some you can edit the main layout from there. So we don't have to edit the code, it was just to show you how you can edit it. So let's close it, and we are working on the theme customization only. Okay, so just to show you contact form how it works. So as you can see, you can change the text of the contact form. Obviously, you can change the submit button and contact form. Obviously, you can add or delete more form if you want. I think they don't have the option contact us. Okay, we can just add it this one. Okay, send us your queries. Send us your queries. Okay, something similar. You have to create the story yourself, because for the password page, the story is very important. So we have the FAQs page, we have the full code one. So you can just also drag and drop this one, and you can put it like here, just above the contact form, and then we can add the FAQs, or we can add the video. It's up to us. So we can drag the video from here, and you can add the video, and this is a video, and obviously you have the option to add the YouTube video as well. Let me add this one, and as you can, source is uploaded. You can add the uploaded video if you want, and you can also select the external URL like the YouTube URL. You can also select. So let's select the YouTube URL. So let me advertise myself. Okay, so you can add the cover image as well. So I have copied my YouTube link in the meanwhile, and let's add it. I think I don't need to add the cover photo for now, and as you can see, it's working fine. It's looking good. Autoplay, it does have the option to autoplay. This is the best features. Like if you go into the Dawn theme, there was some option. There was option for autoplay, but it doesn't work well. So in the Horizon theme, this is something really great. It works very well with autoplay. This is the best feature, and the contact us, you can edit it. FAQs, you can edit it. Pull code, you can edit it as well. But for now, we will just remove the shop now thing. And the button is we don't need this button for now. And let's delete this thing. Yeah. So this is a video, this pull code section, then the contact form and the FAQ. So this is the normal stuff of the password page, and obviously you can edit the other things as well. You can change the background from here and all the stuff. But the main thing that I want to show you, so you can change from here actually. So this is the schema. So the main thing that I want to show you, if you haven't tried the automatic section creation, In horizon theme, this is the page that you will benefit a lot. This is the paid thing, and this is now completely free in horizon theme. So now we'll create the countdown timer. So let's click on, you have to click on add section, and then let me hide myself. You have to go to custom section. Okay, you have to click on custom section, and then you have to click on add blog and then generate blog. Now I will add this prompt in the description of my YouTube video. You have to copy this prompt. I think I have already copied this prompt, so I will add this prompt for you. So a countdown timer which has the option, also just remove the space, which has the option to select starting date and ending date, as well as the starting time and ending time at a small note below the timer that adds scarcity for the user. So I will just type this prompt and you can check it yourself. I will just type this prompt and it will create the whole section for us. So it will take some time. I think approximately 1 minute. I will pause this video. So our section is created, and this is as and if you are seeing it for the first time, this is like a magic. So the countdown timer section has been created, and as you can see, it has all the editable options. Obviously there are few mistakes because it is cropped, but obviously it works great. So the starting date, and you have to specify the starting date. For example, the starting date is 2025, and this is like 8th month, and the date is like 15, and then the starting time is I think 12, oh okay, 0014:8. Okay, and then I will add the ending time for this one, and the end date is 2025. It, remember, the calendar doesn't work in it, you have to type it manually. Okay, so 17, and that's it. So I think we haven't done any mistake. Starting, oh yes, the time is not started yet, so let's start it now. So as you can see, it is working really fine. It is really crazy, and offer has ended, only a few items left, so it is a bit cropped, but I think it is just to give you an idea that it works fine. Oh okay, and then uh, let do the full width. So we'll click on custom section, and then you have to align center, and then the full width. So do you want to add the gap or not? I don't want to add the gap, but let's stick with it. Okay, so height should not be small but auto. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, it is a bit cropped. So the thing that I want to teach you, this, it works really fine, and this is the custom section, and you can edit it as well. So you can edit it, I will show you, but let me add this timer just above the video. You have to make the story yourself. Okay, my purpose is just to show you how the things work. So only, so as you can see, it is a bit cropped. So how you can edit this section, because as you can see, there is no place to edit the code or the thing, so you have to add the follow-up instructions. So we will add the scarcity node is cropped from the left side, please. Okay, please fix it. Okay, let's do. So you have to add the follow-up thing, and let me pause the video. So I've done the follow-up, and I haven't skipped anything, but there are some issues in this section. But if you feel an issue, you can add multiple follow-ups and it will correct the code for you. But in my case, I personally believe that this one, this icon is not working actually, so you can just delete this icon. So this is how the sections work. Like okay, let's see now. Okay, I had to pause this video just to figure out the error, and I have finally figured out the issue. So you have to do multiple follow-ups so that it create the option for us. I think it created this option for now. So this is how you can practice yourself. So this is the all the options it has created. So scarcity, node color, label color, all the things are editable that you have to hire the developer for. This is a lot of customization. So typography you can change the heading, but if you see the padding is too much, I think the padding should not be there. It should be zero. Like, yeah, now it's working fine. So element spacing you can add a lot of stuff. You can change the things. So I hope the things are clear. This is how you can create the custom section. If you want to create like a before after section, it works the same way. If you want to add the before after section on the password page, this is how you can do it. You can also copy paste. This is the new Shopify. These are the new Shopify updates, and if you want to copy this section, you have to just right click in copy and then paste anywhere so you want. So this is how easier the things have become. So for example, if you want to add another custom section, like if you go to custom section and then again click on this one and then add blog. So I think it's time to play. We are just trying to play how are the options. Create. Okay, this is, you have to be a child while working on it. Don't make the things complex. Create a before after section. That's it, no other details. It will work fine. Okay, so it is so let me pause it because I don't want to waste another minute in this video. So I thought to turn on my video during its creation, and you can just chill. You can drink the coffee, you can have coffee and all the stuff. Works really fine. It creates all the options, editable options for you. So this is how it works. So you can add the heading, like heading. Okay, subheading or description, and we are just doing the testing. This is not something we want to test for now. So before image we can add before image just for testing again. Okay, so this is the before image. I know it's weird, but we are just trying to do the testing. Okay, and this is the after image. Okay, so we are just trying to do the testing. I'm not pausing the video just to make sure that we do the all the stuff ourselves. So custom section, this is a full width section. It should be a full width section. So full. Okay, height should be auto or it should be large. So it is working fine, but obviously the height is too small. Yeah, it is working fine. I think it's with the images. Yeah, it's with the images. Images are too small for now. Yeah, it's working really fine. So but I think it is with the images are too small. So I think we should like mail model, or we can say something. We have to do the testing. Okay, so I think this section is a bit smaller. We have to do the editing. Currently there is some issue with the aspect ratio. Obviously we have to make sure that it works fine. Yeah. Oh, okay, I will do the testing and I will create a separate video for you just to show you how this section actually works. So I will leave it for now. I was just to show you how the things actually work. This is how you can edit the password page. I hope the things are clear, and we have done a lot of testing. Currently the offer is ended. Why the offer is ended? Let's see. So again, it has just revised the starting and ending date. If you save the theme customization, obviously this error would not occur. Okay, so this is how you can edit the password page. You have the option to add a lot of stuff. You don't have to edit the code, you can add the custom sections, and it works really fine. Thank you very much, and let me know if there is an issue. I know I have left the before after session in the middle. I will create a separate video for you, I promise you on it.